Welcome back, guys. This is Leland bringing you another T8 of the GRT and the Nucypher. We're bringing you a twofer for today. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe if you are new, and hit that bell notification if you want to find out more about the GRT and the Nucypher. This trend line here, we were talking about it in the last video. It was resistance back here. It came up, it came down, and it was hitting resistance again. When we got to the top, we were spurting out. We hit the top way over here. It was beautiful. And then it became resistance. It came resistance over here. And ever since then, we've came back up and we've tested it. Couldn't quite get above it, so we came back down. And we're testing it again right now. But it looks like on the 4-hour chart, we are getting denied. This is a crucial area that we want to get. We want to get above this trend line right here. Come back down, test it, and resume off. Currently, we would need to get, like I was talking about, I believe it was the day yesterday, actually. We want to get up to about 90. We want to get up to about 90. We want to get that conviction. I want to see that conviction of breaking through it, coming back down, testing 86 cents or so before having a takeoff to the dollar up here. That is my target. For the meantime, you can see how this trend line back here, we just can't break it. It just can't. It tried right here. It tried right here. Here. Guys, if we keep getting rejected at this trend line, we may have some further downside. We might have some further downside. This is also another perspective. We could be forming some kind of triangle right now, which would put us at a breakout in the next 24 hours. So in the next 24 hours, I am looking for some kind of breakout, something that's going to be going to the upside. If we can't do that, do be expecting that we could fall down below and hit that 73 cent area. If we break below 73 cents over here, guys, if you can see this right here, which was this last high, right? That was the all-time high back there. That's acting as support right now. If we get below 73 cents and we do one of these and we test it and we bounce right off, watch out, guys. We could be hitting that 66 cent area. We could be hitting that 60 cent area, and it wouldn't surprise me if we hit that 40 cent area as well. It's a little messy, but these are our area of support that we are looking out for below. On the MACD, not really doing much right now. Nothing that it's really telling me other than we printed red. We were printing a little bit more red, and some further downside could be expected. I could be totally wrong, guys. I want GRT to break out of this triangle, and it might. We're looking at about 24 hours from now that we could get a breakout. Once we get that breakout, we do want to see that retest. Get that breakout, boom. Let's get a resumption off, and let's go to $1. Let's go to $1, and I really do think that is very possible. I do want to try to get a measured move of that triangle, and let's see. So we go from the top, about right. We go down right there. We take this and we put it right about chong. And you can see that puts us at a $1 breakout. Actually, 102. $1.02, guys. If we can break out of this triangle, the measured move for this triangle is over $1. I do expect to see some resistance at this dollar. I don't think we will just blow right through it. That's a psychological resistance. I do expect we might play around with it for a little bit, but nevertheless, if we go ahead and break up above, we're going to be getting it. We're going to get that breakout. Be watching for it. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Nucypher. It is beautiful. Oh my God, did I not tell you guys? This trend line back here, guys, it was acting as resistance. It flipped into support, became resistance, and then it was resistance right here. And what I talked about in the Nucypher video is I said we need to come back, and we need to come back down and touch 26. Well, guess what? What did we do? We hit 26 cents exactly. Perfect. And after that, we're going on our way up. But the most important thing that we're looking at right here, guys, is the 618 line right here. See how it was resistance back here? This is huge, guys. This is massive. For the Nucypher, we broke through. We are up in the 168. I do expect for us to be going up and testing 35 cents. Don't expect to break it right away. We could play in this area for a little bit and come back down and touch 31 cents. That is very possible. It is okay to be bouncing around in this area. If we break below the 618. We might come back down and touch this trend line over here, guys. So you might be looking for a 27, 28 cent Nucypher on the short term. If we don't do that, if we go ahead and we get above the 786, we get that touch and we get a resumption out, it's going to be beautiful. Prepare to see all-time highs. We are going to come test the 41 cents like we did over here, and we will be coming up to hitting our 83 cent target. That is what I'm looking for on the Nucypher. Very possible. We have a lot of room to go up. Right now, we are a little overbought, which is why I say, you know what? Let's go up maybe just a little bit more, test that, and let's cool off. Let's cool off. You can see right here on the RSI, we are overbought. Last time we came over here up to this line, that's at the 78 line on the RSI. We had to take a little breather, and that's what we did back here. Let's put it in a consolidation pattern. I'll be very happy. Let's watch the RSI come back down, touch this support over here at the 56 before having a resumption back off and going up past 35 cents. That's going to happen, guys. That is very real. It is alt season. Nucypher having this shift of momentum, and we aren't even at all-time highs. Once we hit all-time highs, guys, expect to double from there within the next weeks. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell notification because you want to know what's going on with the Nucypher and the GRT. My name's Leland. I appreciate you guys coming by. I'll catch you guys in the next one.